Hello, my name is Michelle Schoenberger, and I'm the Northampton Area School District K-12 Math and Science Supervisor. The purpose of this presentation is to give parents and guardians more information about the middle school math placement process. In this presentation, you will learn about the placement rubric, the math inventory assessment, course offerings, and the Keystone exams. If you have any further questions, feel free to contact me by email or the number found on the screen. The goal of the math placement process is to place students in appropriate courses that challenge but do not frustrate them. We use multiple data points to inform our decisions to make sure students are placed appropriately. Here you will find the rubric to place students in grade 7 math. We use these components: the mid-year cumulative topic assessment score, the average of all topic assessments that the students have taken throughout their 6th grade year, the math inventory assessment, which is an online adaptive assessment, which I'll talk about in more detail in a moment, and the PSSA PVOS projection, which is the statistical analysis of the PSSA assessment data, which provides a projection of student achievement on future assessments. If your student does not have PSSA data, we will adjust the rubric for your student to compensate for the missing data point. Please note that the sum of all the weighted values is used to determine the student's placement. A score of a 3.2 to a 4, the student will be placed in Algebra 1. Less than a 3.2, the student will be placed in Math 7. The Math Inventory Assessment is an online adaptive assessment aligned to our math standards. The assessment adapts to the student's performance by adjusting the level and the number of questions until the software arrives at an accurate score or quantile measure. This represents the student's readiness to succeed in mathematics instruction. You can see here the scaled scores for 6th grade. The number we are most interested in is the score of a 1030, which indicates Algebra 1 readiness. This has been a very strong indicator in the past for our students for their future success in Algebra 1. Your student's math inventory score will be found in the 7th grade math placement letter that will be mailed to you by July 1st this summer. Here's a chart that shows you the typical math course progressions from middle school through high school in Northampton Area School District. Please note that the actual course progression for each student may be different, but this at least gives you an idea of typical progressions. You will see that all students in 6th grade take Math 6. Then starting in 7th grade, students could either take Algebra 1 or Math 7. Math 7 students in 7th grade will then go on to either Algebra 1 or Math 8. The Keystone exams. Algebra 1 is a Keystone exam course. Therefore, at the end of the course, students will take the Algebra 1 Keystones in the spring. The other Keystone exams are biology and literature. Those are taken at the high school level. Starting with the class of 2022, students are required to demonstrate post-secondary readiness as a graduation requirement. Proficiency on the Keystone exams is a part of that graduation requirement. If students do not pass the Algebra 1 Keystone exam, they will be provided remediation prior to retaking the assessment. If a student does not pass after 2 attempts, an alternative pathway will be determined to meet the graduation requirements. It's important to note that regardless of the courses taken at the middle school, the high school requires a minimum of 3 math courses to be taken while in high school. So if a student takes Algebra 1 or Geometry at the middle school, those courses do not count towards the high school math requirement. If you have any further questions about math placement or our mathematics program in general, feel free to contact me at any time. Just a reminder that the 7th grade math placement letters will be mailed home to you on or before July 1st this school year. Thank you very much and have a great day.